Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 24th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. So today was a holiday here in Canada, so this is why I'm dressed like if I was on vacation. So Tesla closed at 606.44 today, up $25.56, up 4.4%. Post-market, we are down 94 cents. Let's look at the chart. So nice big green candle. Let me move this around. So nice big green candle. Yesterday we closed close to 578, which was the middle of our congestion zone. Congestion zone, if you remember, that is between 560 and 595. So today we closed outside of the congestion zone. We closed outside of 595 because we are at 606. But so it seems like we are off to the races. Oh, we have a congestion zone and boom, we closed outside of it. So the stock should be moving away. Well, not so fast. We have a resistance. We have had this resistance. It was into place since April 14th. And the stock, look at this. We are trying to spot trends in this channel. We are spotting trends. When a stock does a candle like this, it does not mean that the next one will be as big or the same or even in the same direction. We try to find trends. So we had a downtrend since April 14th, and technically the downtrend is still on, because if you look at what happened today, we perfectly touched the resistance that we have had since April 14th. So we touched it during the day and we closed back down a little bit. Let's go back to the hourly chart to see in more detail what happened today. So the 930 candle is right here. So we opened here at the bottom of the rectangle for a green candle. So we opened here at the bottom. Then we went down low. We went underneath 578, then went up to 595 almost. So the first candle respected the 595 resistance. Then the second candle broke it and closed outside of it, but with a bigger wick on top. So there was still some pressure to keep the stock down. The third candle, same thing, even bigger push down. So lots of people were trying to push the stock down, but then sellers won, and basically boom, 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 3 green candles. So the stock was off to the races. But then look at this last candle of the day. Red candle here. So far it seems like we have been rejected by the resistance here, like we have been rejected a lot of times. Look at this here. Here, look at this. 21st of April. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. The 21st of April, we tried, we touched, we had a wick outside, we came back, then we had a red candle, and then we just lost the battle. We tried again, succeeded briefly, but then we fell back down and went down. We tried again here. So this resistance is really hard to break. And more recently, May 7th, still trying to break it, and we could not. So, and we could not even today too. So right now, what I see for the stock short term, and thank you for your comments that you left on my Friday video about projections. You seem to like when I do this, so I'm gonna do it. So basically, we have this resistance that has been holding, we have this support that has been holding, and we have this support that has been holding. So Tesla, so the stock is stuck right here. It's stuck right here. What will it do? Nobody knows, but how can I say this? The stock is really tight. There's no much place, there's not many places to go. So something is going to happen within a day or two, because each candle here is 1 hour. So tomorrow we are going to have 7 candles, and the day after 7 other candles. So something will have to happen. So either the stock will go down. This is possible because we are still so close to the congestion zone. So it's very well possible that the stock goes back to the congestion zone. We have not heard any news. I was on vacation today. I did not pay that much attention, but I don't think we heard anything new. So because of this resistance that seems to be holding, we might be going back to the congestion zone or close to it. So we need to pay attention. So pay attention to 595. 595. This was resistance. I should put it as support. I'm gonna just change mode here. So this is now support. I sometimes forget to change colors because sometimes things stay the same for so long that we take them for granted. So this is green, this is support, and we still have resistance, and this here is also support. So the number to watch is 595, because for us to go back to the congestion zone, we need to break 595 to the downside. So this is going to be interesting to look at today. Let's go back to the hourly chart. So the daily chart. So in terms of the daily chart, let's look at the indicators. Okay, stochastic is climbing higher. Stochastic is at 29. This move today in terms of the percentage, like 4%, and this green candle shows quite a bit of power, yet the stochastic is not very strong. So I believe, I don't fully believe in this little bull trend that happened today. I might be wrong, but I believe it a little less because the stochastic is not this strong. MACD is close to coming around to show a bullishness. So this is interesting. So that would mean that soon we might be able to switch this red thumb to a green thumb, and DMI is still not there. So there you have it. This resistance is really into play. This is critical to see what is going to happen next. So be on the lookout for 595, and be on the lookout if 595 has been broken, then we are going to fall back on 560. So this resistance, and also if you are using TradingView, there is a great feature in TradingView, which is that when you select a trend line, either a horizontal trend line, a diagonal, blah blah blah, you can right click on it, and if you pay for an upgraded account, you can add an alert to it. So here I just added an alert. So Tesla crossing trend lines, and then you decide how often you want to be notified, blah blah blah, and you do this. So this is great for not having to stay in front of the chart all the time. You can put the alert on a 1 hour chart. So if I go back here, if I go here, Tesla crossing trend line, I don't know if I can change it here. Yes. So I can say, well, tell it to me from the 1 hour chart. So then I'm gonna know if Tesla breaks this. If Tesla breaks this, if Tesla breaks this resistance here, then we have this double resistance that is into play, that that we have been looking at. Well, that has been in play for so long. Look at this, for more than 1 year. More than 1 year. So the more a trend line has been touched and the longer the trend line has been into play, the stronger it is. So this is quite strong. So it's going to be interesting to see if we break through this resistance here, then we might come around here. We might go back and forth. But basically, this is the area of opportunity. So the stock will do something like this. It can do like this. It can go once or twice. It can go more often. But basically, this is the zone. If we break this resistance here, this is the zone that Tesla will be allowed to go in. With this resistance here, I don't have other ways of telling you besides this and showing you. So I apologize for the people that are watching on the cell phone, but this diagonal resistance is super huge also. So this is basically the area of opportunity if we break the resistance, because so far, as we have shown, the area of opportunity is really inside this little triangle here. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for commenting. I read all of your comments. Thank you for subscribing. This is important for my channel. Thank you for liking. This is also great. We have a discount server where you can discuss with other people that with other like-minded people. We have a Patreon account if you want me to do special requests. If you get the third tier, you can ask me once a month to do a technical analysis on a stock of your choosing. And that video will never be shown on YouTube. It's going to be a video that I make just for you. You can check that out. So I will wish you a great evening, a great beginning of the week. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.